Hello, 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 and welcome to the wonderful world of photography. Here is a cat, and this is not a cat that I know. I was shooting on my birthday many, 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 many years ago, and we were doing a biker-themed collection in the garage of this fellow's house, and it was really a magical set. So it was bikes and bikers, and yes, biker babes. But anyway, outside was their cat. And he kept on looking at me. So I said, look at that cat. And this is part of being a good photographer. And that is, if you see something, even if it wasn't part of the plan, if you see something that catches your eye, shoot it. Or, in this case, take a picture of it. Anyway, this cat just kept looking at me. And there it was out in the grass. And I said, interesting that. So I lined up, shot a few, and then out came the tongue. And I knew, oh, that was lovely. Anyway, I don't know the name of the cat. I don't know the kind of the cat. I don't know much of anything at all. But I was very pleased to have captured this moment in time. So keep shooting, keep practicing, keep training your eye. Don't worry so much about having every single lens and every single camera and every single whatever. You can produce great results with your phone. I think cameras do a better job in a lot of ways, but just the key is your eye. Train your eye. Until we meet again, have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.